Good morning. Getting a spot for the Willow. Put it down there near the water. Okay, I did a little research and found out that weeping willows, they require so much water that they will seek out water underground and even attach themselves to your plumbing or any thing that's carrying water. So, learning that, the best thing to do is to put this tree as far away from the house as possible, especially since there's a pond back there. The tree will be happy and can have all the water that it wants or needs. Showing you where the weeping willow is planted. Now it's near the water there, its own water source. And there she is. And Angie did an excellent job. Thank you, Mr. Hudson. I had a fourth Italian Cypress that I was kind of holding off on. I didn't need it where I planted the other three. I have 2 spots with a set of 3 in each spot. So I had this spare and I decided to put it in the left flower bed. There's a little gap between the arborvitae and the dappled willow, and I think that'll be perfect. As it grows up, it'll actually fill in the little gap right there between the barb and the dappled willow. So decided to just go ahead and get that in the ground today, since I had help with the weeping willow. I had enough energy to go ahead and finish this up. I'm glad I did. It looks perfect. Another one in the perfect spot.